What's up, madlang person? How are you today, tomorrow, forever? Lunch time with chili flakes. This is my lunch. Muning pagkaon sa Uyamo, tummy supply. It's yumminess. This is it, pansit. If you like, comment, like and share. If you don't like, kaliwali. Kumusta mo buhay madlang person? Muning pagkaon sa Uyamot. Daghang salamat kay Tasan sa kanunay grasya ug kusog. Amping tang tanan. See you later, alligator. Bye for now.